皆さん、こんにちは. Today we're going to look at joining adjectives. So we have at the top in the table a list of adjectives. We have 大き for big, 小さい for small, 面白い for interesting, つまらない for boring, 新しい for new, 古い for old. So if we're joining these two adjectives together, big and small, we follow a rule here with E-type adjectives. Take the E off and add kute. Then you have the other adjective. So we go 大きくて小さい big and small. We have 面白くてつまらない interesting and boring. We have 新しい take off the E, kute, 古い new and old. We come over to the na type adjectives. And if we have a look at this sentence here, it says na type adjectives, just add the de. So you remove the na and you put de. So we have shizuka for quiet, urusai for noisy. Quiet and noisy. Shizuka de urusai desu. Or benri for convenient, fuben for inconvenient. Benri de fuben desu. Or kirei for beautiful and kitanai for dirty. Kirei de kitanai desu. Of course, kirei can also mean clean, and in this sense it is the opposite of dirty. So kirei de kitanai desu. So we have a look at these sentences. My town is big and beautiful, or it could be big and clean. Watashi no machi wa ookikute kirei desu. My town is old and dirty. Boku no machi wa furukute kitanai desu. Of course, we have here boku, meaning the same as watashi, but it's in the plain form, not the polite form. So, boku no machi wa furukute kitanai desu. My town is beautiful and interesting, or clean and interesting. Watashi no machi wa kirei de omoshiroi desu. My town is convenient and busy. Boku no machi wa benri de nigiyaka desu. Nigiyaka has a number of meanings: lively, as well as busy, and sometimes even noisy. Usually it's lively and busy. Prosperous. Boku no machi wa benri de nigiyaka desu. Then we come to my town is noisy but interesting. Watashi no machi wa urusai desu ga omoshiroi desu. Now notice here is a change. We put but in instead of and. So this is how you form an alternative viewpoint. Instead of saying it is this and that, you can say it's this but that. So watashi no machi wa urusai, noisy, but desu ga omoshiroi desu, interesting. So my town is noisy but interesting. Watashi no machi wa urusai desu ga omoshiroi desu. 終わります。ありがとうございました。はい、さようなら。